Hello, my first grade friends. Today we're going to review adding 3 digits in a word problem. This is something we've talked about in class already, but since it's on one of your iReady assignments for this week, I thought it'd be a good idea to review this skill with you. So, to start off, let's talk about when we add 3 numbers. That means that we have 3 add-ins, and we need to find the first 2 that would be the easiest to add. And when we're adding numbers, we also want to think about some of our mental math strategies. So when we add 3 numbers, we want to look for those doubles. We want to look for making a 10. We want to look for those first 2 digits that would be the easiest to, or the first 2 add-ins that would be the easiest to add together. So let's look at this first story, for example, about pencils. Joe picks up 7 pencils. Carla picks up 3 pencils. Pete picks up 4 pencils. How many pencils do the children pick up? Well, let's think about our story. What is important about this number story? What's the important information? We want to find out how many pencils do the children pick up. So this is an addition problem. We're putting groups together to figure out how many pencils in all. Some other important information would be that Joe picks up 7 pencils, Carla picks up 3 pencils, and Pete picks up 4 pencils. We need to know how many pencils each child picks up so we can add them together. So let's look at our picture model. I know that Joe picks up 7 pencils. That's why we have a picture model of 7 pencils. Our first add-in is 7. Carla picks up 3 pencils. Our second add-in is 3. And Pete picks up 4 pencils. So our our third add-in is 4. Now we have 7 plus 3 plus 4. Do you see 2 numbers that are easiest to add first? Me too. If you saw making a 10, you're right. 7 and 3 makes 10. So I'm going to bring this 10 down. And that's right, we still have the 4 to add. We have to add Pete's group of pencils still. And adding anything to 10 is super easy. 10 plus 4 equals 14. Very good. Did you see a different way that we could add these 3 add-ins together? If you did, you are an awesome mathematician. There is another way, and you are also right. Let's put the same digits here. 7 plus 3 plus 4. Joe's pencils, Carla's pencils, and Pete's pencils. What is another strategy you could use to add these digits together? Aha! My friends, did anyone see a double fact or a close double fact? I did. Well, I know that 3 and 4 are next to each other on a number line, so they're close doubles. If 3 plus 3 is 6, then 3 plus 4 equals 7. So I'm going to bring the 7 down, and I still need to add Joe's group. 7 plus 7 is another double. 14. Either way I do it, I get 14. The children pick up 14 pencils. Adding 3 digits is fun because you always can find 2 add-ins together that make it easier. But don't forget to add that third group after you add the first 2 add-ins together. That is super important. All right, I'll see you later for our next math review tutorial.